Thanks for joining us. I'm Tammy Tremblay. Staffing shortages and low wages are impacting daycares across the nation and right here in Idaho. A recent survey by the National Association for the Education of Young Children says daycares are seeing reduced hours or even closures as a result. Our Andrew Bartline found this national trend is impacting plenty of people here at home.
Yeah, Tammy, it's all about supply and demand. One daycare director tells me employees simply aren't willing to do the work for the amount they are paid. And that puts families who are in need of the service in quite a bind. Daycare director Lisa Martello spent 29 years in the business.
There is a real crisis in childcare.
And she can't seem to fill her staff at the 10 Mile Community Church daycare.
In the last 3 months, I've received 5 applications, and out of that, 1 showed up for an interview.
It's been a problem since last September.
We've had a lot of calls of people asking for childcare, and I've had to tell them I'm sorry. Until we are up to staff, I can't take any more children.
This daycare worker shortage is a national problem. According to a recent survey by the National Association for the Education of Young Children, 91% of child care centers are experiencing staff shortages, and 84% of centers say low wages make it difficult to recruit workers. It's for these exact reasons that J.D. Kohler says she's been stuck on every CUNA daycare waitlist since April.
I can tell that there's definitely not enough teachers, but they're amazing and they do the best they can, and all we can do is just support them and help them.
According to the Idaho Association for the Education of Young Children, daycare workers are some of the lowest paid workers in our state, with a median wage of just $10.38 an hour.
Teachers, I think, are deserving of $15 to $17 an hour at minimum.
But Martello says she already pays above the median wage, and the solution isn't simple as raising wages, because that means they'd have to raise rates too.
We're trying to do everything we can not to, because with housing going up and the cost of living going up in Idaho, it's just one more strain for parents. And we worry about the impact on their families. What are they going to have to give up?
That same survey says almost half the workers they surveyed were considering leaving the industry or closing their centers. Martello says she's doing everything in her power to avoid closure or reducing their services. And to do that, she says she might have to give in, look at their new budget starting January 1st, and maybe raise those rates to offer more competitive wages and attract more workers. Tammy.
Tough situation. Thank you, Andrew.